Hey guys, welcome. I'm Keegan with Seared and Smoked, and today we're putting the finishing touches on the green egg table that we just built over here. Gonna put a nice sealer on it, and then we're gonna drop the egg in, and I can show you how to put the egg in all by yourself if you can't find a friend. Like me today, I can't find a friend, so I'm gonna have to tough it out, get the egg in there by myself, but we can do it. I'm gonna show you how. All right, step one, putting on a nice sealer, and we're using Penafin. This stuff is premium. It lasts a long time. I've used it on a few other projects such as my Rectech table and also some outdoor siding I have exposed cedar on, and it's held up fantastic. So I recommend this for everything, even the tabletop. It's not gonna be a glossy finish, so it might be a little more difficult to wipe down, but it lasts a long time, which is what I'm interested in. The oil-based sealer has been applied and it looks pretty gorgeous. It really makes this cheap pine wood feel a little more rich and luxurious. And just overall, for not a whole lot of cost, brings this whole setup up a notch. Quite happy with that. I'll show you the product once again that I used. This is Penafin. You can generally find in like really fine woodworking stores like Woodsmith if you have any of those. You can order on Amazon too for the clear in a few colors, but not every color. This is transparent cedar is what I used. And I will put a link for the Penafin brand in the video description down below. All right, home stretch. Now we're gonna see if a 42-year-old man can get a large green egg set by himself without re-injuring his back. I think I can do it. I like a challenge. All right, we are completely wrapped up. If you might have noticed, my handle is all jacked up here. That was from an earlier transport issue when I bought this green egg used off a older gentleman in the Des Moines area. And we had a little fumble on the way to the car. So at some point, I just need to replace this hinge. Sad story, but it still works just fine. It's just not quite as pretty as it could be. All right, I hope you enjoyed that build. 4 hours or less for the build, then a little extra time for the stain and the finishing touches. So if you want an easy one you can knock out on a Saturday, that's the grill table for you. I have plenty more at searedandsmoked.com. I'll put links in the video description for this table, its free plans, and the other plans I also have available. And up here you can find a playlist for all my grill tables. And as always, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Subscribe if you want to see more outdoor grilling projects, recipes, etc. I'd love to have you at Seared and Smoked, where food always tastes better outdoors.